What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight we're about to head to a car meet here in Maryland. I'm going to go hit up the homie Keyon, MrRockOffJohnson. Link will be in the description for his video. I'm gonna roll out with my brother Gene.
What's up, y'all?
You can follow him. I'm sure I put the his name on Instagram on the screen, but it's gonna be in the description below as well, so make sure you follow him. But yeah, that's enough for the intro. Let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so I'm at the gas station, seeing homie pull up. We're gonna get to some other stuff real quick, but so dope. Let me know what you guys think. There we go. That way I can remember to follow later. Oh, hold up. Where we at? There we go. But yeah, got a special guest in the building, or outside I should say. Nope, right here. It's the MrRockOffJohnson. We're gonna have a link down below, as always. Anything you want to say?
Anything I want to say? We out here, you know, achieve your goals, stay classy, stay positive. Don't get gapped by someone that's not wearing LTMR. If you lose to somebody that's not wearing LTMR, does it even count? So yeah,
right.
There you go.
There you go. And let me get the back of the shirt.
Oh, there you go.
Boom. Merch link for him will be in the description as well. So
yeah, you know,
there you go.
We staying safe out here, staying safe. You know.
Oh yeah.
Doing some social distancing, gapping out here. That's how we do it.
Right. And look, even Gene got the LTMR.
The Gap Bandit.
Oh yeah.
Y'all got
Boom.
That's that Gap Bandit.
Got it. Alright. Yeah, I don't know why I showed that car. But yeah, we got some more cars out here. They sounded mean coming in, of course. Still got a bunch of people showing up and waiting for as well, so. They got the we got the track beast out here.
Out here drag racing our Maximus and Ultimus.
He ready for it.
Coming up on the trailer. We got that smile.
Feel like I in Bradford here.
Oh,
CRV over there, but that Maximus is pretty dope. Right up my alley. But yeah, we still got some dope cars everywhere. Yeah, still waiting for a couple of the homies show up. They basically said they was coming, so I'm gonna see them here in a little bit. Shooting flames on the freeway. Is he done?
God damn.
I think he done for the moment. Nah, he gonna do it.
Crazy.
I come around, niggas gonna put their hoes. These bitches stay on my channel. Yeah, must have seen me on TV.
Look at that.
Nah, I'm feeling, man.
Dope. The whole squad shooting flames. And I was like, I just seen one online doing it. Come find out it's my own. That sounds dope. That is crazy. Crazy. Couldn't even hear me, I'm sure.
8 hours later.
Alright, so I can't use that clip. Alright, so cop over there just said we gotta go. They about to, a couple people going to another spot, but we're gonna call it a night. It's been a long day, and we got the car show tomorrow, Cars and Coffee. So that's pretty much it for this video. Any last words?
Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you check out merch. Link down in the description below. His merch is what I'm talking about. I already shouted mine out, but we ain't talking about this right now. We're talking about his. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit the bell icon so that you know where you at. Come here. Turn around. Let's talk already. Got Brad out here in Baltimore. Yeah.
There we go.
Get a shot of that. Just got him out.
Making all that noise here. Sheesh. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted.